Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about USD Tether. What is it? How does it work? And how could it change the world of finance? Explanation of USD Tether. USD Tether is a stablecoin, which means it is a cryptocurrency that is pegged to a fiat currency, in this case the US dollar. This means that each USD Tether is backed by $1 held in reserve by Tether Limited. USD Tether can be used to trade on cryptocurrency exchanges, make payments, and store value. How USD Tether will change the world of finance. USD Tether could make it easier for people to use cryptocurrencies. This is because USD Tether is not as volatile as other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. USD Tether could also reduce the volatility of the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Additionally, USD Tether could make it easier for people to trade between different cryptocurrencies. This is because USD Tether is a common currency that is accepted on most cryptocurrency exchanges. Finally, USD Tether could make it easier for people to make payments internationally. This is because USD Tether is not subject to the same restrictions as traditional currency transfers. Use cases of USD Tether. USD Tether could make it easier for people to use cryptocurrencies. It could reduce the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. It could make it easier for people to trade between different cryptocurrencies. It could make it easier for people to make payments internationally. It could make it easier for people to store their wealth. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about USD Tether. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.